the only one that can act this role? What's keeping him? And he knows these China people are ready to pay him 60 million for this job. Have you tried calling him?
Reto, I've tried this client several times. It's not picking up.
You know whether no? I'm Shina Rambo, aka John Wick. If you're not too smart, maybe in your little age, or you know, if you watch Spider-Man, I'm the spider behind the man. Are you correct? I acted Judge of the Jungle.
It is smoky book.
Blood of watch out for the tree. You wanna party? You wanna party? I was passing. Since your actor is not available. Excuse me. How many views do you want?
10 million.
I'll give you 700 million views.
What do you suggest? Reto, let's use him. His body movement is smart.
Alright, I give you this role. On action, this guy here provoked you. All you have to do is to use the gun and shoot him. You know this is a movie. You know how it's been done. Alright, 3, 2, 1 rolling and action! Did you just shoot him? Oh, once. You should have asked questions. You shot him with the real gun.
Hello, too.
And the gun belongs to the security man.
Director, here's the toy gun for the movie.
Too much. You went to prison.
Oh no. Hope you know what this means. Probably. This is life in prison.
It is very shameful for you to accept.
Can't I swear Benita don't tire me?
Nah, I don't get to the spend.
Guy, I break up with her yesterday, she don't agree. Why you dey laugh?
You dey laugh now?
No be story I dey tell you.
Oh.
Like I don't tire me, Joe.
I get plan.
Which plan?
No say she too like party and she too like to dey spend. Just tell her say you be introvert. 2 weeks she don't break up.
You sure?
Yes, nah.
Hi, baby.
Hey!
Hey! What's wrong with him?
Since when I come here, you no agree talk to me. You say you be introvert.
Since when?
Baby, since morning, if I go outside like this, so my body will be shaking me. I'll be having pimples, menopause, everything will be doing me. Especially if I go to where it's loud or where they are spending money. My body will be shaking like this. It will be shaking. It'll be like I want to die today.
Are you serious?
Introvert, know the line now.
Oh, babe, how about the party we're supposed to go for this afternoon?
You know I'm an introvert now. How about we break up? Only you will not go.
Are you okay?
No best.
Kante, will you go?
Yes, nah.
Which of you guys are in the craze? Say no be introvert, be introvert.
You are who?
Babe, you're shouting too much. I thought you said you are an introvert.
Oh, introvert, no they to talk. Kante, we say no go outside. They inside.
I don't know you.
And I don't go polish you.
Kante, is what I'm wearing sexy, you know?
Oh my God! You look succulent.
Succulent. You don't know my baby is for apple. How my Benita go succulent? Maybe you are not succulent.
Kante, let's just go, please.
You are bad guy. Stop. You don't see the spirit of introvert, you just go.
Are you playing?
I like going outside now. Outside, boy. We are outside. Yeah, I can't take us for this place.
You are an introvert in Jesus' name.
You will be an introvert in Jesus' name.
You are an introvert in Jesus' name.
You are an introvert in the name of. You are an introvert in the name of Ogun. Now go. Baby, let's go outside.
Wait, guys. We can all go together. Okay. Just give me a minute.
Okay.
Hello. I'd like to book a table for my boyfriend and his friend. How much again? 7 million. Don't worry, my boyfriend is capable.
Go down. You know me too fast. Let me introvert. Baby, we follow you. Hey, baby, you see, I'm the only introvert. This one no toy extrovert. Follow her. They go party.
Don't worry, it's okay.
Wait till me that. Babe, why you dey bleach?
I think it's rapture.
Oh, it's rapture.
I'm going to see Jesus.
Oh.
I can't wait to see you, baby. I love you.
I don't love you, really. Kade, your leg not a bleach.
Hey!
Kade, you make it. I'm surprised.
My shoe. Keep on for me.
I'll keep for you. Keep space for me. Oh. Safe flight. Take care. Oh my Jesus. Jesus is my turn. I'm waiting. If you don't see my leg. Let me sit upright.
Mumu man.
Brother, time when they go.
Dear Sean,
Eh?
I would have taken you, but you are an introvert.
Ma. If I'm introvert, make I die. I don't be introvert though. I be outside boy.
You will be fine. Take care of Lagos for me.
Lagos. Jesus of Lele Makbamini.
Hello? Where are you now? And you know that the weather is not good already. Okay, please don't forget the stuff that I told you. Really? Okay now, no problem. I can't wait to see you. The black gate, yes, in front of the black gate you told me now. Okay, I can't wait to see you. Alright. Bye.
What is that Charlie boy say our mumu don't too much? Charlie boy na your mumu na too much. You be mumu. You think say you dey wise? It is very shameful for you to accept that.
Daddy, I'm pregnant.
Honorable, I suspect electoral malpractices in your unit. Have you informed other parliamentarians of this development?
But Daddy, you're the only one I'm presently dating.
The last time I visited your ward, I suspected a lot of rigging going down there, especially from the look on your ballot box.
Daddy, I swear this pregnancy is yours. 100% it is yours.
Votes must be recounted and results uploaded for all to see.
Fine. I'll send you the pregnancy test results. Okay?
I stand on my mandate.
Yes. Power to the people.
How are you?
I'm getting fine, sir.
How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
You are a bad boy. You are a bad boy. You are a bad boy. You are.
Amarachi, say yes to me. Let's build this relationship together.
I want to say yes. I want to accept you.
Then tell me the yes now.
But on one condition.
What's the condition?
You no go knock.
Come on, your hand for my clothes. What's the no go knock? Why we no go knock?
I don't want me to knock till we marry.
You dey create so to go and do. We dey go feed, go play ball. Since you be transgender, we dey sit down, they look ourselves. What's the essence of dating you won't know the knack?
Me will just dey play love.
Say which kind of love? Which kind of love would they go play when no involve knack? You know what? Man, not close my eye open, see you for here. I feel mash your waist break. Come on for here. I go mash you. They move. Come on for here. You were near ground.
Hello, guy. I beg, no, they call me. No, they call. I tell you, I no get
That no they cut call like that. That's what they talk last time. You just they cut call. That's what they do things. That's what just they talk to you. You go and you be my guy.
I no get money.
No be money. I be want ask you off.
This I hear you as you mention one.
Get what thing I be want ask you. Calm down.
Oh yeah, no vex.
You just dey like this. You just cut call.
No vex.
Why you do like that?
No vex. Talk to me.
You there house?
I dey house.
You there house?
I dey house. I just reach house.
I want to ask you whether you guys soup because I get fufu. You don't cut call, idiot. I go use eat this fufu now.
Neighbor, good morning.
Madam, good morning. How you doing? I get soup.
I beg, carry your beg, come on and do the beg.
Not be so then they do things so.
Let me explain to you, sir.
I'm asking
what content for social media.
What content do you create for a living?
Actually, I'm a prankster.
Oh, perfect. Officer,
what is offense, Ogami?
He's a prankster.
Public nuisance in tinted glass.
Don't worry, we won't do it.
Mojari, Ogami.
I'm a prankster.
Ogami.
A star in prank. I've got to imagine. What's your name?
Trouble, sir.
Trouble. Is this not you?
Say cheese.
That's okay. I and my co-officer have been looking for trouble for the past 13 months. Look at you. In a Benz. Get up in this car.
All these my Muslim friends, I never delete their number. It's the last time when I called them, last Ramadan. Hello, Abdul Malik. Malik. So you fast. Razak, Abdul Razak. Abdul Razak. Since Malik. I don't say Razak on Goring. Hello, Abdul Razak. I've been on my network. I try Rashid. Hello, Abdul Rashid. I've been on my network. Neighbor, I beg. Your network gets it be like my network no good. Oh, we know they use the same network.
What's you not ready to beg? That's what you're gonna do.
Where Abdullah go? Hello, Abdullah.
Hi, my guy.
Abdullah, how far now?
Adeo, how your side now, my guy?
Happy Salah.
Happy Salah, long time since last
Ramadan. No, Salah don't reach you.
My guy, my mo.
No say last Ramadan when I talk say no be ram, no be cow this thing. So at least this one we dey sure.
My brother, we not too sure.
Una no buy cow.
We buy you, but he lose him can't run. He run, my brother. If you see the way the cow, we find.
How you take run?
As in, one of my demo pikin, we go play with the rope before we know. So we just.
So like the.
We just did.
So like the una go just dey house.
We are going to go to the mosque.
I think I follow una go now, even if they go share. I call Abdulaziz. Abdulaziz. Hello, Abdulaziz. Happy Salah.
Happy Salah, mo. How you doing now? How Lagos?
This one wey dey ask how Lagos. Where you dey?
I dey Zamfara. I know the police.
What you go do for Zamfara?
Na Salah now. I go.
You dey go Zamfara. You no tell person.
I call Philip if he get Muslim friend.